Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of crypto transfers, specifically focusing on moving your precious USDT from your OKX wallet over to Binance. This process is crucial for anyone looking to manage their digital assets efficiently. It might seem daunting at first, but trust me, it's way easier than building a PC from scratch. If you can handle that, this will be a breeze. Even if you're not tech savvy, don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll break it down step by step, so even if you're new to this, you'll be transferring like a pro in no time. Each step will be clearly explained, ensuring you understand the process thoroughly. First things first, make sure you have both your OKX and Binance accounts set up and ready to go. This is essential because you can't transfer without having both accounts active and accessible. You'll need them both open for this process. Having both dashboards visible will make it easier to follow along and ensure you're entering the correct information. Got everything? Awesome. Let's jump right in. We're about to make your first transfer a smooth and successful one. This isn't about just clicking a few buttons though. It's a bit more involved, but don't let that scare you off. We'll be dealing with your hard-earned crypto here, so security is paramount. Always ensure your passwords are strong and never share them with anyone. We'll cover all the important stuff, from double-checking addresses to keeping that seed phrase locked down tight. These steps are crucial to prevent any loss of funds. So grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's get those USDT moving. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident and ready to handle any crypto transfer with ease. Alright, before we move any USDT, let's make sure you can access your OKX wallet. This is a crucial step to ensure that your funds are secure and that you have full control over your digital assets. This is where that super important seed phrase comes in. It's a series of words that acts as a backup to your wallet, allowing you to recover your funds if you ever lose access to your device. Remember that jumble of words you wrote down when you first created your wallet? That's your seed phrase, and it's absolutely essential for the security of your digital assets. Yeah, that's your key to the kingdom. Without it, you won't be able to access your funds if you lose your device or forget your password. If you haven't done so already, locate your seed phrase and keep it somewhere safe and accessible. It's best to store it in multiple secure locations to ensure it's always within reach when needed. This phrase is literally the only way to recover your funds if anything happens to your device or if you forget your password, so guard it with your life. Consider using a fireproof safe or a secure digital vault for added protection. Once you've located your seed phrase, you might need to input it into OKX to access your wallet. This step ensures that you can regain access to your funds and continue managing your digital assets without any issues. This is just a security measure to ensure you, and only you, have control over your funds. By taking these precautions, you can rest assured that your digital assets are safe and secure. Now let's head over to your Binance account. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Binance is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges, and for good reason. It's user-friendly and offers a wide range of features. We need to find your USDT deposit address. This is crucial for transferring your funds securely. Think of this like your crypto home address, where your USDT will be sent from OKX. It's a unique identifier that ensures your funds reach the right destination. Head to your Binance wallet and look for USDT or Tether. This is the stablecoin you'll be transferring. You'll see an option that says Deposit. This is where you'll get the address needed for the transfer. Click on that, and boom, there's your USDT deposit address. This is the key to receiving your funds. It'll be a long string of letters and numbers. Don't be intimidated. It's just like a bank account number but for crypto. Make sure to copy this address carefully. One wrong character, and your USDT might end up lost in the crypto void. Double check to ensure accuracy. One crucial detail. Pay close attention to the network. This can make or break your transfer. Both OKX and Binance support different networks for USDT transfers like ERC20, Ethereum, TRC20, Tron, and BEP20, Binance Smart Chain. Each network has its own advantages and fees. Choose the same network on both platforms to avoid any transfer mishaps. Mismatched networks can result in lost funds. For cost-effective and fast transactions, I recommend using TRC20. It's reliable and has lower fees compared to other networks. With your Binance USDT address copied and the correct network selected, let's head back to your OKX wallet. Go to your USDT balance and look for a withdraw or send button. Click on that and get ready to paste your Binance USDT address. Double, triple check that you've pasted the correct address and selected the correct network. This step is crucial. Remember, once you hit send, there's no turning back. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so it's always better to be safe than sorry. Now, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer and review all the details one last time. Double check everything. Make sure everything looks good, take a deep breath, and hit that confirm button. You're all set.